through the stadium. It's really building up.
I love it. Simple as that.
Looking forward to it?
Very much so. And where would you rather be than sitting here watching this game? I love it. I just think it's fantastic.
Possibilities now. Comfortable stop. Goalkeeper, not trouble. Corner for Real Madrid. Pepe. And now Iniesta. Villa. Villa. Throw in now. Villa. And that's the referee playing the advantage.
Yeah, and a good one at that.
Khedira. Here's the cross, tries the volley. Good try, a little too high. Carvalho saw that coming, and now the referee says free kick. Stop the shot bravely. That's Abidal with the clearance. Well, the game is giving us plenty to talk about here, and I know you're a very optimistic man about watching football, and we very rarely walk away thinking we've been let down.
No, sometimes. I mean, I think that you do get a little, but not today, I'm telling you, not today.
Piqué. Iniesta. That attempt to win the ball was unsuccessful for the defender. Good play by the attacker here. And that's a difficult situation for the attacker because the defenders just dominated him. Quite slow into their stride, Real Madrid today. Xavi. Keeps it going well. Maybe a chance is on. And, oh, he's got a block in there. Still on the attack with the throw. Good pass. Oh, good pass. That's good play defensively. So very nearly. Well, you have to go with the referee here. He's given the free kick. Goalkeeper protected by his outfield player there, Xavi. And he stepped in the nick of time. On to Ronaldo. And the verdict is another 4 minutes of added time. The referee has awarded this free kick. Oh, very close from the free kick.
Ah, good effort, Major.
Pepe, Sergio Ramos. Great tackling technique to win the ball cleanly. And this is going to be a throw. Higuain came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. And we finished the first half here. Extraordinary.